very welcome to OnShaw.net's Scratch Saturday, where we look through a number of Scratch projects that I have made and I show you how I've made them. This week we're looking at pentatonic chimes, and we're on level 3. Level 1 was very simple, where you just simply clicked on one of the chimes that played the note, or you pressed the letter corresponding to the chimes and it played the note. In level 2 we went really up a level, and we started and we asked people to type in the notes they'd like to play. That would be fine if everyone played along nicely, but if people typed in the wrong letters, we had to get rid of that, so we did a lot of parsing and error checking for that. Level 3 goes back to basics. All we're doing really now is bringing level 1 and level 2 together. So what I want to do really is I just want what I was doing was when I hit the key C or D or E, or I played any of the notes, they just played but no effect happens. What I want to do is the effect of pressing down a key. So how I will do that is I'm going to type in the notes I want to play, so we'll see we'll actually behave ourselves in this. So A, G and E, and you'll see A, G and E playing on the keyboard. A, G, E. So you see how the chime looked like it was being pressed down and it changed colour. We'll have a look inside because it's fairly simple. The code from level 2 you can find in our previous video, and the link will be in the description. And what we're going to do now is just look down below at the key where we are actually playing the notes. So we have, if it's C, the 60 is C, 62 is D, 64 is E, then we have G is 67, and then 69 is A, but obviously that's the only other option. So basically what we do is we broadcast play C, play D, play E, play G, and play A. So we'll just look at play C. If it's playing the note C, we go to our string. So if it's playing C, or you click on, so if you hear play C, change the size of the key by -10, so that makes that smaller. It actually makes it look like it's being pressed down. We're going to set the colour effect to 100, which is basically a light blue colour. We wait for half a second while the beat is playing, then we just clear the graphic effects and set the size back to 100%, so it looks like it's being pressed. So if I click on that, you'll see how it works. There you go, it's been pressed, and then once it's done, it goes back to normal. So that's basically all there is with that. It's fairly straightforward, nothing particularly mad happening there with it. In our next level, we're just going to mess around a little bit more with effects. We're going to show you how to speed up the tempo of the song. We're going to change a few musical instruments. At the moment it's the piano, and we're also going to have some sort of jukebox effect. So for example, if you don't want to type in the notes yourself, you might type in the name of a song and it will play that song if it's in the jukebox. I'll show you a quick example of how to do that. That's it for this week. We'll see you back in a fortnight where we'll add those in to level 4 of pentatonic chimes. See you then, and thanks.